Here's how to fix Instagram Music not showing all songs. Now, if you're on Instagram creating a reel or a story and you want to add a bunch of different songs or choose one that is not on there, I'm going to show you how to do it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Instagram app here. And the first thing we'll do is just tap on the little plus at the bottom center. From here, let's switch over to Reel, and I'm going to tap on the camera icon at the top left. Now, from here, I can either take a video first, or let's just tap on audio at the middle left here. And this will allow me to choose which song I wanted to add in advance. I can on here, for instance, search for Drake and hit search. Now, you'll be able to see Drake and Kanye West, a bunch of different artists. I can also tap on Drake as an artist, and it will show every single song from Drake that is on this list. You can see a really long list of songs. However, keep in mind, Instagram doesn't always have access to every single song. Essentially, Instagram, or the parent company Meta, has to negotiate with the copyright holder of that artist and agree on terms to be able to use that music in the app. However, in some instances, you're just not able to access or find these, even though you should be able to. There are two different things you can do. The first one is head into your settings. We'll tap on General and then iPhone Storage. What we're going to do is find the Instagram app here on here. Let's tap on Instagram, and we're just going to offload this app and reinstall it. The cool thing about this is it essentially removes all of the cache and temporary files, while at the same time force updating it to the latest version. A lot of times fixes any kind of bugs or glitches within the Instagram app and should fix any issues with music not showing up or having a very limited amount of music, maybe from a different country or different region. Now, if this doesn't fix it, the next thing what we'll do is we'll go back here, because we need to make sure your phone is set to the region that you're in. So let's scroll down here. And on here, we're going to tap on language and region. From here, you can see region. I have it set to the United States. Let's say, for instance, I have it set to Uzbekistan or Uruguay or any other country on here. Keep in mind, Instagram will follow the copyright laws and the copyright agreements for all of that music associated with that specific country. So you want to make sure it's set to the country that you're in and essentially not set to some other random country, because you could be suggested and recommended a lot of random artists from some other country that you don't know of or that you're not in. So you want to make sure you update that region to be the region that you are physically in, and then you should be able to open up Instagram and you should be able to see all of the normal songs and music. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.